Hello everyone, this is Priya Vishwanath. I am a trainer at EP Infoways. Today in this introductory session, let's have a brief description about soft skills. Knowledge is something about what we know, whereas skill is something about what we do. So let me take a simple example for the better understanding. Knowledge is like filling water in the tank, whereas skill is like utilizing that water using taps for the various purposes in a proper way. The same way, water is completely waste if we don't know how to use it. The same way, we cannot use if we don't have water in the tank. The same time, so without knowledge, we can't polish our skills, and without skills, the knowledge will be completely wasted. Hard skills are often used as technical skills. Technical skills are something what we have gained through our education, formal education. For example, a BTech student, technical student, knowing about external engineering, technology is all about technical skills. The same BTech student knowing about his own internal engineering is soft skills. When it comes to MBA, an MBA student knowing about organizational behavior and organizational structure is about technical skills. The same guy knowing about his own behavior and his own thought process is about soft skills. It's time to understand the necessity of soft skills in our lives. Soft skills are connected to our personal as well as professional, both the lives, whereas technical skills are connected to our professional life. In formal education, our focus is only to develop the technical skills, whereas we completely ignore soft skills. Maybe because of that, we fail to have a healthy professional and personal lives. So it's time that we have to understand the importance of soft skills. Let me give a simple example to differentiate knowledge, technical skills and soft skills. Knowledge is like having ingredients in the kitchen, whereas technical skills, knowing how to cook using those ingredients, whereas soft skills, knowing how to serve those cooked food with love and passion. So having only ingredients doesn't mean that we know how to cook. So we cannot cook if we don't have ingredients. At the same time, we have ingredients, we know how to cook, but we don't know how to serve it with love and passion. So it's of no use. The end result will be perfect if it is served with passion and love. With the word interpersonal, there is one more word is connected. Often we see intrapersonal. So intrapersonal is something handling our own emotions, whereas interpersonal is something dealing with other people. As we know, man is a social animal. So it is very important for us to have a healthy relationship with others. So in this journey, our interpersonal skills will help us a lot in our personal life or in our professional life. So if we have to grow in team, we must have good team working capacity. We have to feel comfortable working in teams. That's why team is something like together everyone achieves more. To get more success, so we have to be a good team player. So teamwork is also a very important soft skill. Whether it's in personal life or in professional life, we have a lot of knowledge, but we don't know how to put it across. It's of no use. That's why it's equally important to convey the messages properly through our good communication skills. So communication skill is also an important soft skill. Time management is an important aspect of our life to achieve a greater success in life. Whether it is a simple person or a great personality, each one of us have equal 24/7. But how you utilize our time by giving proper priorities to our work will make us great or simple. The word leadership is connected with stress because Leader is somebody who handles his stress well, so who performs well even in his stressful situations. That's why the person having a wonderful stress management skills will come out as a leader. That's why it's very important for everyone to handle our stress and stressful situations, because nowadays each and every profession has a lot of stress. So handling our stress in a proper way to achieve more, to get the good result is very important, and such persons will be having leadership skills. Today in this brief introduction session, we had a simple introduction about all the soft skills. In the coming sessions, we will be having the lengthy discussions about each one of the topics. Thank you.